Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Bitcoin. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here, as they're called, representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So this here may look like a few weeks worth of time. It's actually just the past few days broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to this time frame. That does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Friendly reminder, Bitcoin is open 24/7, so if you're watching this video 15-20 hours after I upload it, then yeah, the chart's going to look different for you. But my goal here is to keep this video relevant for as long as possible, and I'm going to accomplish that by talking about more so general levels, and then walking you just through some questions, and based on how you answer those questions, that'll dictate the current status of the chart. Well, the last update I did, wow, things have turned around in a big way. I can't imagine anybody, if they're being totally honest, saying that they saw this coming. But as a reference point, the last time I did a Bitcoin video, the price was up here. It was, doing battle with that 12,000 mark. So at that point, it was just a big question of, hey, is this the start of something bigger? Is this breakout going to get going? But we've gotten our answer. Not only was it not the start of anything bigger, that entire move has been totally wiped away. I mean, a savage turnaround all the way back down. Back down where? Well, basically right back down to this green line here, which I've talked about before. That's in fact where the double bottom started from. And sure, it didn't hit it exactly, but I think we can all agree those lows before a little miniature bounce, we're basically at the same level. So more of the story here is this. I'm going to go ahead and get rid of that line there. But question number one that you need to ask yourself, and let's just use the 15-hour number. So let's say you're watching this video 15 hours after I upload it. Question number one, nothing fancy other than, where's the price at relative to 11,100? And that's important for no other reason other than the fact that that's basically where the price has bounced off of those other times before, including right there. So in other words, if you're saying, well, Clay, it's 15 hours from when you uploaded the video and now the price is down below 11,100, that would just imply that this little sideways movement that is occurring right now as of the recording of this video, but this sideways movement has, lost its momentum and, back down it's went. Now, at this point, it's really a question of, gut instincts, common sense. Meaning if you are saying that the price is down below 11,100, well, how far down below it? And the further down below, the more bearish the situation. So from that angle, nothing fancy, nothing complicated. Just let your gut instincts, common sense guide you. Now, in the event there, if you're saying, well, Clay, yeah, the price is up above 11,100. Well, the closer up to, 12,000, the better. Very straightforward again. No, I'm not saying I'd be shocked to see the price actually get up above there anytime soon. But like I said, if as long as the price just even works its way up a little bit more, well, that would imply that the bounce is still underway. So everything right now is really revolving all around that 11,100 mark. Where's the price going to be at relative to there? Is the price going to continue to work its way higher and higher to the upside? Or like I said, is this, movement right here as of the recording of this video just a temporary pause before a move downwards? So I'm jealous of those of you that get to watch this 15-20 hours from now. You're gonna have a much better idea, but let's see how things play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.